I promised deep cleaning videos for you guys in April, but fatigue quickly took over me throughout the month, and I wasn't able to get much filming done of me deep cleaning. I filmed myself semi-deep cleaning the rooms, but not nearly as good as it could have been. I found myself deep cleaning everything else when Zach was home and I wasn't filming, so my apologies on that matter. I'm starting off by removing items that don't belong in this small foldable table. Zach uses this table to put food and his juice and vape stuff on after work, but when I was moving furniture, I put a few more things on the table to clear out some of the bookshelves I had to move. There were papers shoved on top of books on the bookshelf that I put on the floor when moving. These are all important documents except for the Christmas to and from stickers and tissue paper. Those are just out of place. A few days prior to making this video, I tried starting up this video and already wiped down a couple of shelves, so I'm not going to do much of a deep clean on these shelves since they already are technically clean. I am skimming through my coloring books to see if I want to get rid of any, but I wanted to keep them all. But I did find 2 True Crime booklets that I'm going to get rid of. I bought these thinking I'll do the puzzles inside, but I never got to it, and now they're just taking up space. The bookshelf I have my TV on has a range of items in its shelving units, from games to consoles to coloring books and controllers. It needs a good dusting since I rarely get to it. This bookshelf has a majority of my Between Monsters and Men books I use for research, and then there are my game guides and miscellaneous stuff as well. There's also cleaning chemicals and Zach's tools shoved on the bottom of the bookshelf. I wish there was other places to put this stuff, but I really don't have the space for another bookshelf. The couch is where Zach is most of the time after work. He likes to read his webtoons while laying down, so I don't need to do much other than fold the blankets. The second couch, which is the smaller one, is mostly for Tyr. It has his sheet he likes to play with, his elephant, and an extra blanket. Now for my makeup cabinet. I don't have much to do on the top shelf other than organize and light dusting, but the bottom shelves are dusty and need a good wiping. The bar table is definitely not as messy as it used to be. It has my Inuyasha coasters and my wine bottle holder, and that's about it that's supposed to be on here. So the sewing machine table is supposed to only have my sewing machine on it, but as you can tell, there's an assortment of other junk on it as well. I don't have much space to put any of this stuff, and most of the time I'm working, I like to spread out what I'm doing. So the sewing machine table becomes collateral. The table beside my computer is where most of my work stuff is, including books I am reading and other junk stuff. The actual desk with the computers always gets dusty the next day after dusting it. I don't know why it happens, but it does. Sorry for not talking much during this video. I have been kind of out of it for most of April, or busy doing other things at the same time. For the music, I'm not sure if it's too quiet or too loud. Tell me what you think so I can fix it for the next videos. I was worried it'd be too loud when I was talking and too low when I'm not, and though I can manage it to turn it up and down during those times, I wanted to make it easy for me to edit while I was mentally exhausted. Call me lazy if you'd like. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. This is part 1 out of I think 3. I'll try to get the other 2 videos up before the end of the month. Hope you enjoyed!